First of all, I want to say thank you to our Almighty God because you, Caleb, you are the best blessing I've ever had. When I first saw you in church, sabi ko sa sarili ko, chick boy to. Naging close tayo after ng fellowship. Nag-add ka sa Facebook and message me after. You said, ate, si ganito daw, gusto ka. Without knowing na ikaw pala yung may gusto sa akin. Fast forward, naging mag-friends tayo. Madaming nagsasabi sa akin na bakit hindi na lang si Caleb. Mabait siya. Pinalaki ng maayos, and higit sa lahat, may takot sa Diyos. Pero dahil ayaw ko nga sa may mas bata sa akin, I just ignored that. Sa mga usapan natin na minsan even the deepest part of my life, for the first time, kaya kong i-share sa isang taong akala ko ay magiging part lang ng journey ko here in Canada. Naging open ka sa akin pati sa mga bagay na alam kong hindi mo kayang sabihin sa ibang tao. When we started dating, I don't know what to feel. Before, I feared love, but now it calms me, knowing that God gave me a man who is gentle. I thought that love was something you had to earn, something you have to fight to get and suffer to keep. Something that made you give up pieces of yourself for another human being. But then there was you that reminded me that love is easy and showed me that love isn't so bad after all. You made it so hard to relate to the sad songs I once listened to on repeat. I am only the person I am today because of the way your love pushes me forward and accepts me where I am. You are never aware how much you healed so many parts of my heart just by loving me. Marami ang nagtatanong sa akin kung sure na ba ako na ikaw ang papakasalan ko. And I only answered with a simple yes. But I remember when I asked God for a man, I prayed for a man who is loving, respectful, and a man that will love me like my parents did. And then He gave you. Someone that holds my heart like a trophy. Now, I realize na hindi lang ako ang sure na ikaw ang papakasalan ko because God also said yes when He gave you to me. And He knows it's you I prayed for. Thank you for being there always, my love. How can someone love a very genuine person like you? Kung sa lahat ng problema na pinagdaanan ko these past few months, you stood up for me when I can't even open my eyes. You've been so positive in every way which make me love you even more. I was never wrong for choosing you. Now I understand why God led me to Canada because my soulmate and future is here. You are here. My Caleb, you are my moon. I will love you in all of your phases. I promise to accept your flaws, your insecurities, your bad days, your traumas, and will surely accept you at your worst. I promise that my love for you will never change. Kakantahan pa rin kita ng stupid love pag nalulungkot ka at sasayawan ng kalma pag galit ka. Caleb, you indeed is who I need because you feel like everywhere I've ever been and everywhere I haven't been yet. To Tito and Tita, ay Mama at Papa mo pala. I am currently winning in life because you raised a fine man. Thank you. My love, I promise that our marriage will be about we and not me. I promise to confide in you and not hide from you. I can promise you the world, but I promise you all of me. I love you.